Hi everyone, welcome. This is Donna and I'm here with a product reveal video for the Elegant Border Snowflake Die. This is a fun border die featuring snowflakes and swirls. It is a slimline size, but you certainly can trim it to fit your A2 size card base. I'll go ahead and die cut it here on screen with you out of some blue cardstock, and I'm just going to use a little piece of painter's tape to secure it, and then I'll run it through my die cutting machine. So here's the piece all die cut. I did use just my little Cuttlebug machine to die cut this, and I did have to use a metal shim in order for those very intricate detailed pieces to cut out properly. But once I put that shim in, I had no trouble getting it to cut. I'm just using my little tool here to kind of poke out all of the cardstock, and then I'll pop that piece out. The die does feature 5 individual snowflakes in varying sizes, and then of course the large border die cut. So here I'll just trim off the border part so you can see what that looks like once it's all die cut. Now most of Whimsy Stamps dies are 8 1/4 by 3 1/4, and here I have a piece of cardstock that I use kind of as a template, and you can see once I lay the die cut on top of that how that looks and how it compares to in size. This second template is cut down to 8 1/2 by 3 1/2, and this is how the border die would look on that card base size. Thank you so much for watching the product reveal video, and I will see you another time.